me to do the Running Man in the show.
Oh, I do?
Oh.
Yeah.
It's the only one in the family that can do the Running Man.
Watch him.
Bravo!
David, can you do the Running Man?
I can do the worm.
What's the worm?
Oh,
Oh, let's see the
Would you like
worm.
to see the worm?
Look, David can do the worm.
No, this is the next part. The
You
turtle.
want me to do the moonwalk?
Oh, the turtle. And David's going to do the worm, okay?
No, it's just the turtle.
Okay, we'll do the turtle and then David will do the
The
worm.
turtle that meets the turtle that meets the bull that played the trick on this. That actually it's the turtle who meets the bull. And I see wants you to be the bull.
Okay.
Okay, so get up.
You be the bird.
But I'll call you when it's your turn.
Okay.
The beat of bull, the snare, the turtle meets the bull. Actually, it's the snare who meets the bull.
He can be the bird. He's up.
No.
Oh, he's a good bird. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
He can be the worm. He can be the worm.
What?
I don't want him to be the worm.
Oh, you want him to be the worm?
Yeah.
And you're going to be the
But
bird?
not in the story.
Sammy can be the bird.
I want to be Birdman.
Yes, no, Sammy doesn't have to make a great good mama.
I don't want to be a bird.
Jason.
JJ, you be a bird.
I don't know how. I'll
Make
call
your
you.
moves.
Birdman.
Birdman.
That's not a bird.
Hello. I have to have a bee. Hello.
Yeah,
It's a one wing.
I'm going.
Careful. Easy. JJ, easy. Let go, JJ. You're going to hurt her.
The bird beat the worm.
She's not a worm. She's a turtle.
Oh.
David's a worm.
I ate her shell off.
Good thing she has a show.
That's